Welcome to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Okay, today we're going to talk about how to make your YouTube video viral. Let me show you how to make your YouTube video go viral in 3 easy steps. Have you ever seen a video uploaded by a channel with no subscribers and all of a sudden it went viral quickly? My YouTube experience has provided me with some insight into this topic, as I've created multiple viral videos that have increased my subscribers. You'll find out about a secret pro tip that other YouTubers don't want you to know at the end of this video. So step 1, make a video. First, you need to decide what kind of YouTuber you want to be. Are you interested in becoming a vlogger, a gamer? Are you a lifestyle expert? Are you a social experimenter? Are you the reactor, the lister? Would you consider yourself a prankster? Decide what kind of video you want to make and then get the necessary equipment. Vloggers only need a camera, but gamers, obviously, their needs are a bit more complicated. A gamer will also need a computer and a video capturing software if they wish to record their gameplay. In addition, you can also purchase a camera so that you can use a face cam, a video recording of your face in a random corner of your screen, so your fans can see your face while you're playing the game. The second step is to upload your video to YouTube after you've recorded your first video. Now be sure to use cool tags that other creators are using and viewers are searching for. In addition, your video should have an appealing title and thumbnail. Now here's a pro tip. Try clickbaiting. In case you haven't heard of it, clickbaiting is when you give your videos intriguing titles and thumbnails to get people to watch them. As long as they're interesting and somewhat relevant to the video, it doesn't matter if they're blatant lies. This technique can be seen in action in the following examples. Oh, come on. You know you've fallen for these too. I fall for these all the time. Okay, that's all I have to say for today. Now, step 3, wait for your video to go viral. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you success in your YouTube journey. I hope that your videos do become viral. You should contact me once you make your first viral video so that we can collaborate. Don't forget that I taught you how to do this. Wink. Don't forget to like this video, comment on the video, share the video, and most important, go viral. And here's another pro tip. YouTube ranks videos higher if they're at least 10 minutes long. That's why you see a lot of channels posting videos that are like 10 minutes and 1 second, 10 minutes and 2 seconds, or 10 minutes and 3 seconds, or 10 minutes and 4 seconds, 10 minutes and 5 seconds, 10 minutes and 6 seconds, 10 minutes and 7 seconds, 10 minutes and 8 seconds, 10 minutes and 9 seconds, 10 minutes and 10 seconds, and so on. So being this is supposed to be an informational video, I'll demonstrate this technique in action right now. I just did. I actually don't have enough tips to last for 10 minutes. So here's a picture of me giving you a thumbs up. Oh, and I love this t-shirt. If you know me, you've known all that I've endured. Hence why this shirt is special to me. Okay, I won't bombard you here for 10 minutes, but you get the point. Until next time, as the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's ADVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.